Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out your reports on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the mine section down below, which is the last option, and as you can see, if you scroll down, there is this reports section. You can check out your cycles, period cycle, temperature. Here is this chart, symptoms, predictions. These are insight and recommended articles, fertility, weight, sleep, breast self-exam, and drink water. And here you will be able to find your timelines as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.